Hi, so in the last video we fed the mushrooms, so we're a bit late in harvesting them. Probably should have done this yesterday, but as you can see, this is the product, and obviously this is our mushroom fridge, lights and fogger and all that kind of stuff, and yeah, heat, humidity, that kind of stuff that they need, and fans to keep the airflow. So that's the finished product. Because the caps are kind of turned up like that, we're probably a little bit late in harvesting, but yeah. So bring them over here. So basically just got to rip off all the bits of mushrooms, so I'll probably just cut them. You can just tear them away. And then we've got to weigh the amount of mushrooms that we've harvested, so that then we can feed the substrate again and get it ready for another flush. So you can generally get about 3 flushes from a batch of mushrooms if you feed them and do all that kind of, look after them and do all that kind of stuff. So you can see, just cut them and ripped those off. So now we can weigh up what our harvest is, and that determines how much water we add back. So you've got to add the same volume of water back, because most of the weight of these is kind of in water. So trying to zero out our scales. Okay, so I'll just bring it all on the scales. Get it all in there. Okay, so that's 421 grams. So we've got to add 421 mils of water just to replace the weight of what we've lost, but then we've also got to add bran, basically between 5 and 10% of the weight, the wet weight of that substrate, plus some more hydrated lime water. So we're going to do that now.